What's going down, legends? In today's video, we're going to have a look at total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin, ETH, and stables. And of course, it wouldn't be one of my videos without having a look at risk levels. So, first things first, total crypto market cap. Obviously, we have had this beautiful inverse head and shoulders pattern play out to the T. We've broke the neckline, came back for a retest, we've rallied higher, there's been a sell-off, unfortunately, but as is the way of crypto, we've moved higher and we're consolidating now between the 3.9 and $4 trillion mark. The next leg up, which I think is forming now, if we look at this consolidation here, is $4.84 trillion. Why? I've just simply measured from the bottom of the head up to the neckline and used that as a reference point. Do we get another sell-off? Is there going to be another sell-off? That is the question. Well, I don't know for certain, but I do strongly believe in global M2 and how Bitcoin has been tracking that forever. There has been a deviation, quite a significant decoupling, but I'm sticking with it. I think there is a lot of catching up to do, and I think when it starts, stuff is going to start to go bananas. But first, total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, ETH and stables. This is the chart really that we need to send. Why? Because it represents our alts. And if you look at this cup and handle pattern now, this has been forming since, if I get that bang on there, the 7th of November 2021. So it's taken almost 4 years to get to this point here. And we need it to break out of this before we get too excited. I am excited, don't get me wrong. I am excited. But before people start diving out the risk curve, which I'm sure most of you already done, you absolute lunatics, we do need this line, this level of resistance to break. Clearly, I'm not anticipating that we just go straight through it. We know what these resistance levels are like. There is typically a bit of a sell-off when we get up there, so nothing to panic about. But I am of the firm belief that it's just a matter of time before everything starts pushing higher. And once we crack this, it's just screaming bullishness. When you look across the board, there are many charts now with huge wedge patterns, huge macro patterns that just look ready to go. As ever, patience often pays. Let's finish up now with risk levels. Total crypto market cap. What do I always say? We never just shoot straight for one. I like to be conservative with my estimates. These charts, or these levels, typically level 1 always gets hit. But let's stick on the lower side of things for now, and we'll assess when we get there. So 0.797 is at $8.428 trillion. Level 1, and this is why I don't like to get too carried away, is at a mammoth $17.192 trillion. So obviously if I just start chucking figures out there like that with no rhyme or reason, people will think I'm just a lunatic, which is partly true, but let's go for that for now. 0.797 as a long-term target, and we can assess further down the line. We'll finish with this. In my mind, as I say, still plenty to come. Hope you enjoyed that. If you've got any questions, leave a comment and I'll do my best to get back to you. Cheers.